I believe so many people today are lost kasi ang ibig sabihin po ng neglect, we fail to take care properly of our soul. Hindi mo na alagaan yung kaluluwa mo. You are so busy working, earning money. I have seen people po na very active in the church and then nag-apply po sa abroad, nasa abroad na nagtatrabaho. But because you are so busy working abroad, ang nakalimutan mo yung soul mo. Nakalimutan mo yung relasyon mo sa Diyos. From the story, you will notice na umikot lang ang kwento about accumulation. Pag sabi po, accumulation, it's all about accumulation. There is no mention about God. Hindi po nabanggit ang Diyos kahit minsan. Wala. Read your Bible again and again. Not even once, umikot ang kanyang buhay sa pag-accumulate. And there's nothing wrong with that. Wala namang masamang mabless magkaroon ng magandang bahay. There's nothing wrong with that, to be blessed. Ang problema, at the expense, nakalimutan mo yung kaluluwa mo.